I'm a bee cleaner at Northwest Division, and I clean the bus, the interior of the bus, from the back to the front.
I think it's important to clean the buses because we have a lot of people that ride MTA. It's called do the right thing. Get on there and clean them and make sure you sanitize them.
It's definitely a critical time, and it's a time that we definitely need to be more cautious and more careful. And I just make sure that I clean the bus to the best of my ability and to know that my family is safe each and every day while they're riding the buses.
Oh, I feel wonderful. I feel wonderful. I know I'm saving people's lives out there, and so we just want to make sure everybody go to work safe and come home safe.